How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here with another Tyler Teaches, where I teach you some of my favorite tricks and steps. Not really teaching much today. I guess we're kind of teaching something. We're going over the difference between slow and fast trebles. In Irish dancing, we can dance to reels, jigs, hornpipes, you name it, but there's always slow trebles, there's always fast trebles, and there's some key differences between the two, but sometimes they can be pretty vague, and sometimes we can fall into that gray area where while we're doing our dance piece, we're not making it super clear what's a slow treble, what's a fast treble. When you fall into that gray area, it really doesn't match up with the music. So it's a common error that happens. I've worked on it with a lot of dancers in the past, and through that process, I've figured out a few things about how to help separate the two. What's the differences between fast trebles and slow trebles? The differences in how you're executing your trebles to make your slow trebles stronger, to make your fast trebles stronger, more clear. We're gonna go into that today. So, quick preface about it though. These are my findings, and not that I'm like writing the book on Irish dancing, but these are things that I've found through my 20 plus years of dancing and my experience teaching it as well. These tips may help you, they might not. They've really helped me in my years dancing and with the dancers that I've helped, and hopefully they help you as well. We're gonna key in on one very specific difference in the execution of a slow treble and fast treble. If this is something that you're interested in, or if it's something that you have trouble with in your own Irish dancing, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this, and if it's something you'd like us to explore more on this channel. There's certainly more ways we can explore slow trebles and fast trebles. Even in jigs and hornpipes, there's held fast trebles and held back trebles and all those different things. So if this is an interesting topic, let me know. We can do more videos on it. We can have more fun with it. But before we dive into the dancey dance part of this video, quick plug. Consider subscribing to the channel if you're not already. My analytics say that more than half of you aren't subscribed to the channel right now. So if you aren't already, in the red box thing, be sure to do that and help this channel grow, get more Irish dancing onto YouTube. Also, if you know anybody that has some trouble with their trebles, their fast or slow trebles, share this video with them. Hopefully it helps. We want to help out as many people as we can. And also, if you'd like to help support the channel further, I have a Teespring where I'm selling shirts like this lovely shirt. I don't know if you can see it. And all proceeds go directly back into the channel to help fund microphones, cameras, and give me more time to dedicate to making videos. Also, if you'd like to be a patron of the channel, I'm starting that now. We've got patreon.com/Tyler Schwartz, where you can be a monthly patron and help support the channel through that. And I like to also communicate with my patrons, my producers, on that platform as well. So if that interests you as well, you can head over there. Without further delay, let's get into the video. All right, here we are again. Got my shoes on, got the Omara floor. Let's have some fun with these rhythms. So, fast trebles and slow trebles. We're gonna keep this nice and simple. When we're doing a regular treble, again, shuffles, shuffle out and back, brush out, brushing out and brushing back. That's our slow treble, and we see it everywhere from hornpipes to reels to jigs. It's all very similar. One of the biggest things that we do when we do these slow trebles is we have a lot of tension built up and hold and control in our ankles, and that allows us to have that really strong brush out and brush back. That allows us to get a lot of sound, control, and the turnout along with it. It allows us to, all the way through and back, keep that nice turnout, which is great. That's why we do slow trebles. Even in the most advanced steps, we still do a high amount of slow trebles. We may be combining them with other rhythms, like fast trebles, but those slow trebles are great foundations to keep the turnout, keep the ankle strong, build that core into a step. Now, when we go into fast trebles, one of the biggest differences between slow trebles and fast trebles, besides the sound, is our ankles. That area there's a whole lot less tension. The tension's further up our leg. The hold is up here, that then loosens as we go out with the brush out. The looseness of that ankle is what gives us that whip, quote unquote whip, or that brush back that allows us to do the brush back a whole lot faster than we would a slow treble. So when we have our ankle nice and held, it's great. It's nice and consistent, easy, strong. But when we do a fast treble, it's a lot faster, and that brush back happens a lot faster than we could possibly do it if we had a strong ankle. So loosening the ankle is the big difference there. So yeah, biggest difference. And it's hard to see in a regular video the difference between those slow trebles and a faster treble. That's what allows us to have different sounds when we do a slow treble into a fast treble, or a fast treble into a slow treble. So when you're practicing your fast trebles, one of my biggest pieces of advice would be right beforehand, loosen up that ankle. I know normally hard shoes have you strapped in there pretty tightly in the ankle, but you can still loosen that top part of your ankle a little bit. That'll allow you to whip that treble a little bit more. Also, that looseness of the ankle will allow you to get that extra little shake in your fast trebles. That's very characteristic of them. That you really would not be able to do if you had a strong ankle trying to do a fast treble like that. So, biggest takeaway, loosen up the ankles, have fun with the rhythms, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.